An overview of IRA investments. A Roth IRA, also called a rollover IRA or a tax-deferred account, is an individual retirement account that generally is not taxable upon withdrawal, regardless of conditions. Roth IRAs is the most frequently used type of IRA. Because these accounts are tax-deferred, the contributions are not taxed until withdrawals. If you are a self-employed person or do not have a tax return filed, you can still make contributions to a Roth IRA. This is a very attractive feature for many people, since they are generally allowed to contribute more money into their account. If you are over age 50, you can typically invest a higher percentage of your annual earnings into a Roth IRA. This means that even if you are earning money in the traditional form of employment, you can contribute into a Roth account. Some of these investments can be invested in stocks and shares of any business, including a corporation and other financial institutions. You can have a single or a multiple account with a Roth. The account may be a rollover account or a custodial account. In either case, the funds are held by the custodian, not the participant. The custodian then uses that money to purchase securities. Roth IRAs offers various types of investments. You can invest both in real estate and real property held through an IRA custodian. The account will pay tax on the proceeds of any transactions. However, you won't be taxed until you sell the property. There are some benefits to investing in a Roth IRA. For instance, if you withdraw funds from a traditional IRA, you would pay taxes on the amount withdrawn. The amount paid on taxes is based on a number of different factors, including how much of the money was withdrawn, when you withdraw it, how long it was withdrawn, and the type of account in which you withdraw it from. However, the tax that you would pay on withdrawals would generally be much less than what you pay if you withdraw money from a conventional IRA. Another benefit of a Roth IRA is that there are usually no penalties for early distributions or contributions. You are able to begin withdrawing money from the account at any time without penalty or interest. In summary, a Roth IRA is a good choice for many people. If you do not have an employer-sponsored retirement plan, you might want to consider investing in a Roth to help provide you with additional income. If you already have an employer-sponsored plan, you can make contributions to a Roth in order to keep your employer contribution tax deferred while investing your money in a tax-deferred account. If you are self-employed, you might also want to consider investing in a Roth IRA to help provide for your retirement. As with any retirement account, you will need to be careful to avoid becoming a high rollover custodian and pay tax on funds that you don't actually have. Also, if you make early distributions from a Roth IRA, you can be subject to a penalty and will pay taxes on any excess funds that you did not contribute. If you do not currently have an IRA account, you might want to consider opening a new one. You may be eligible for a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, which offers the same advantages as a Roth account but with a different tax treatment. You should consult with a tax professional before deciding on which IRA to open. As with any other kind of account, you need to make sure that you are properly advised about all the tax implications and the best way to meet your tax requirements. With an IRA, you may be required to pay taxes for withdrawals that you didn't even know you had to pay. It's easy to find information about IRA contributions and the tax consequence of each. You can learn more about your IRA options at your local IRA center or on the internet. There is also a variety of books and magazines to help you in your research. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about wealth building and investing.